So to disable the slots that don't have anything in them, we don't want kind of this hovering effect to happen if there's nothing in the slots, or at least I don't. We can go into W inventory slot, and in update slot in the beginning, we just have to add a branch. And the condition, we can already use this existing get item data at index, pull it out, and ask if the item is valid. Plug that in. If it's true, let's let's get the slot button here, and let's set is enabled. And check that to true. And if it's false, we can just set is enabled to false. And we also want to make sure we set the icon. We get our slot image and set brush from texture to our empty icon. So we can just right here, empty icon, and let's check match size. So it stays in the 120 by 120. Let's also make sure in our event graph, in initialize, we call our update slot function. Oh, and one last thing, in the update slot, after we set our slot image, just to be safe, we want to get our mount text and set the visibility to hidden. So compile and save, and we can just test it out. We can no longer hover over any of these. We can grab some items, these become available, and these are still not. And that'll take up the rest of our slots here, and they're all available. All right, that'll be it for this one. In the next one, we'll start working on the drop-down menu, which will soon give us the ability to use, examine, and drop items.